Hi, you all. I'm Trina.
I'm Otis.
And We Do Travel.
Yes.
He was supposed to say it with me. It's supposed to be, a couple thing, but he just left me hanging.
I'm in the video.
And that's all that matters. But we are Trina and Otis with We Do Travel. If you all have been watching our videos previously, thank you. Welcome back. If you're new to our channel, thank you so much for joining us. Well, I don't think we've ever done a sit down really quickly. And this is just real quick to kind of introduce what our video is about. But, and it's been a while since we've posted anything, long form video. We've done some shorts, right?
Yeah.
We've done some shorts, but so this is our latest long form video. So our channel is really about traveling. It's in the name. We do travel. We believe in just traveling the world and building experiences and memories for our family. I am so passionate about cultivating these experiences for us. I've been doing and booking trips for so many years, and we just finally decided to document it. And thankfully, YouTube provides a platform for us to do so we can go back and look at all our trips. So we run into a lot of people who always say, we can't travel, we don't have the time, we don't have the money. Yeah. And those are real things. I understand that completely. But we want to show people how you truly can travel, no matter what your budget is, no matter what the time is. Like, for instance, of us, we're a family of 4. Our girls are in middle school and high school. And so we have to travel around their times where they're out for school. So
spring break, fall break, any break.
Summer, holiday breaks, for the November, December. That's typically when we're traveling the most. But in between those times, we're doing short trips because we want to be able to cultivate those experiences and actually see the world. Because I think it's a difference in how you view people when you are able to be a part of their culture, look at where they live and go around and see what they deal with. And I think that just helps humanity, honestly, for me. So we do travel all kind of ways. We do trains, planes, automobiles, and cruise ships. So on this next video, we're going to do 2 of these, right?
Right. We're going to be on a cruise ship. We're going to be on the NCL Pearl, and then we're going to hop in the truck and ride to Key West and hang out there for a couple of days.
If you like this kind of content, please subscribe. We're trying to get there. We're trying to, our first mark is to what?
The first milestone is to 1,000 subscribers. So if you like us, please subscribe. It's free.
Comment. Exactly.
It's so free. Just hit the button.
Yeah, we appreciate you all. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means the world to us. But if you need some advice, reach out to me. One thing, I am becoming a travel agent. I'm in the study mode right now, so I'm not there. I'm not booking anything currently, but in the next couple of months or so, I'm going to be ready. So I would love to help plan your trip for you all. But in the meantime, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I am so passionate about this. I'm willing to help you along the way and give you some ideas of some things you can do. So just reach out.
Yeah.
Well, without further ado, welcome to our new video of Bahamas, Key West. Enjoy.
And like, comment, subscribe.
All those things. Bye,
all that.
Y'all.
All right. So our first port day was at Grand Bahama Island, and we took a bus to Garden of the Groves.
So Garden of the Groves, it's a 12-acre natural sanctuary located in Grand Bahama Island. It's home to migratory birds, butterflies, beautiful flowers, and trees.
Boys and girls, this is the part of the garden where you can get food and drinks. Now, on your excursion, it does not include food and drinks, but of course, I'm sure you would have brought monies or credit cards. They are all accepted here at the garden. Booster, Discover, and Master.
So the Garden of the Groves has been certified as a wildlife habitat by the U.S. Wildlife Federation. So when you're there, there's certain things you can do. They do a nature tour. There's a garden cafe, private events they offer there, like weddings, and then there's also a lot of shopping. So once we returned to the ship, we headed to the pool for a little poolside entertainment.
So our next stop was Silver Cove on Norwegian's private island, Great Stirrup Cay. And this is an exclusive oceanfront resort style retreat. And it has a private beach, private lagoon, beachfront villas that can occupy up to 6 people for a single room. And it is really, really nice. You have the Mandera Spa, you have Moet and Shandon Bar, and the Silver Cove restaurant and bar, which is all included for the price. Trina planned this for Easter, which is a really nice surprise because we weren't expecting this at all. And you could tell by the girls' reaction, they weren't either.
I'm from the island. I will be assisting you for today. See the White House in the corner? That's the bar.
Okay.
You're very welcome to check the mowings on the bar, but still you have a bar waiter going around to take your product.
Okay.
If you have the beverage packet from the ship, you can use it by the computer in the island.
Okay.
And then later on, because now the pool is refilling the water, when it's ready later on, you can visit also the pool area there.
Oh, okay, it's
The
right there.
swimming pool, yes.
Okay.
They have a swing over there, they have a hammock. The swing is very good to take photos. Right?
Oh, nice.
One zero, you have the in front of your villa, you have the 2 umbrellas with the 9 beach lounge chairs and also the yellow floating mats you can use it.
Those are okay.
Just in front of your villa.
Okay.
Yes, again. And also you have the 10 complimentary bottles of water in the fridge.
Okay.
And also premium for your coffee machine. And also you have already ice in the bucket.
Okay.
And then the TV is set only for movies. For watching movies, you can use this small remote.
Okay.
And then we have more towels, bathrobe, and safety box deposit in the cabinet.
Okay.
If somebody is smoking, the smoking strictly at the back door side.
Okay.
Later on in a few minutes, the restaurant staff will bring your complimentary fruits and then chips and towels as well.
Oh, wonderful.
And then for the lunchtime, normally the lunch is open from 11:30 in the morning until 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But I will come back here when it's open already, and I will ask what time you prepare for lunch so I can send the shuttle service to pick you from your back door and bring you to the restaurant later on.
Okay.
And also if you want to visit to the local market here, the shopping area where the souvenir you can buy, and then also go to the main beach.
Okay.
In the reception, they have a white tram that coming in and out. The only important, you have the white wristband with you, so you can come in and out in the Silver Cove area.
Awesome.
And also, like what I've said, you have the 2 umbrellas with 9 chairs, and also you can use the yellow floating mats. For the drinks, no worries, the bar server will take care for your drink.
Thank you
All right,
so
thank
much.
you.
If you get tired, yeah, I stay to sleep in. We got a bathroom here. All of us will take our showers. Okay. Enjoy. Those 2 o'clock are hours. Take a towel with you, grab a towel. So high.
Step and what they have coming in, okay? Bucket, right?
Yeah.
Bucket right over there.
Is there another one?
No, it's just the main area. If you go into the main area, that's another area, but this is just for yeah, this is for the guest area right here.
Oh, okay.
So it's right there, straight ahead, right in the middle, okay?
All right. Thank you.
No problem. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Virgin pina colada. Virgin.
That's good. Thank you so much.
Cheers is
If you could bring that out here.
we had an awesome time in Silver Cove, and in our opinion, it was well worth the additional cost. So we headed back to the ship, and since it's Easter, Splash Academy had a ship-wide family scavenger hunt. Now, Splash Academy is an activity center for kids under 12 years old, and with this scavenger hunt, they did everything from body paint, they had snacks, goodies, cookies, and everything. You get to take a picture with the Easter Bunny, and Eden loved it. She had a great time, and we did too, running around the ship.
Thank you so much. Happy Easter. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
All right, and that's a wrap for the Norwegian Pearl. So for part 2 of our adventure, we hopped in the truck, went across the Keys, got on the 7 Mile Bridge, and headed down to Key West, Florida.
So for the next 4 days, we stayed at the Laureate Key West. They say that these are all contemporary suites, but it's more like a condo, really. Great location, great stay. Highly recommend to stay here.
And if you're staying in Key West, I would highly recommend going to the Siboney restaurant. This is probably the best Cuban food I've ever had in my entire life, hands down, anywhere. And probably one of the best ways to get a full feel for how Key West is, do the on and off tours. We got to see the whole city without knowing how to get around ourselves, but they made it very easy to enjoy everything.
We then headed to Garbo's, which was one of the restaurants I found while watching Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. It's right downtown, close to everything as well. After that, we had to go see some sights and tours and had to end at the southernmost point. Our Key West adventure continued, where we went from the beginning of Highway 1 to the end of Highway 1.
And one thing that we like to do is teach the girls something historic about where we're going. So the cemetery at Higgs Beach in Key West is nationally significant burial site for hundreds of Africans rescued from slave ships in 1860 who were held in quarantine and died due to poor conditions, becoming victims of the illegal slave trade. They didn't find out about this until around 2002. Ground penetrating radar surveyed at Higgs Beach revealed the precise location of the graves, leading to the recognition of the site. Now, the African cemetery is considered unique in the United States as it's a cemetery for African refugees, not a slave cemetery. So it is representing a compelling story from the final days of the transatlantic slave trade. And no trip to the Keys will be complete without trying every version of key lime pie that we could get our hands on. Some were good, some were not so good, but I think the best was Kermit's Key Lime Shop on Elizabeth Street in Key West. So if you're looking for it, it's 200 Elizabeth Street, Key West, Florida. They're open from 10 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. and it was the absolute best.
Thank you all so much for watching our land and sea vacation. If you like what you've seen, please comment, like, subscribe. Also, tell us how you like to travel. Have you done a land and sea trip? Put it in the comments. Let us know.
Hey, we do travel.
Yes, we do.